Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you the installation of streetlights on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. There you can see the streetlight on the ground and they are setting it up to install it on the highway. So as you probably know by now, a new highway has been built because it's finished between Harborview and Yallows. It's 4 lanes, dual carriageway, and they are putting streetlights on the highway. 400 streetlights. There you can see. Okay, let me show you. There you can see in the background streetlights. That one is installed, and right by the car on the ground, that pole is another streetlight that they are in the process of installing. So this highway is definitely what you call a super highway. It's going to have street lights on the entire 17-kilometer stretch. Over 400 street lights. This is what you call a game changer for this side of the island. I have to say, job well done to all the entities, companies involved. Well, we know it's China Harbour Engineering Company that built the highway there. There's no other entity in Jamaica that can build a highway like this at this time. So there you can see the street lights. Quite a few have been installed already. They have a few left to install. Okay, so we're going to go through a press release that gives you more information on the street lights. 400 million street lighting program on the way for Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, Harborview to Yallows. The National Works Agency has commenced a multi-million-dollar lighting component of works along the road from Harborview St. Andrew to Yallows in St. Thomas. The 17-kilometer stretch, which forms part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, is being outfitted with some 400 light poles through a contract valued at just over $400 million. The project is being executed in partnership with the Jamaica Public Service Company. Manager, Communication and Customer Service at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, says the erection of the poles form part of the final works being undertaken. It is expected that the installation of the poles will be completed by Christmas 2023. In the meantime, Mr. Shaw says that progress is also being made with the installation of traffic signals along the corridor. 11 such systems are to be installed. The first bank of lights were erected recently at the junction to Grants Pen community in St. Thomas. Other final works now being undertaken as part of the overall works are the installation of safety features, including road markings and signs, as well as corrective works to minor defects in some areas. The Harborview to Yallows leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is being done at a cost of over US $114 million. The road is being built as a 4-lane highway with several sections being realigned for safety and efficiency purposes. Alright, so that is the end of the update article. So definitely, you have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica, and the street lights will definitely help with using the road at night. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.